Hi everyone, Archana here. I'm going to show these beautiful old-fashioned roses, how to make out of our regular cardstock. But today I'm not going to give you any tutorial. I'm just here to tell you that this procedure is little bit longer, this flower making procedure. It's not like few step procedure. So the video will take a little bit longer, and that's what I'm posting my tutorial video next Friday. I'm so sorry, today I'm not giving you any tutorial, but I hope you are looking forward to see these old-fashioned very pretty roses. I posted this flower picture on my Facebook long back, and people are waiting for the tutorial, so I decided I'm not giving any other flower tutorial. As I told, I'm going to show these sweet peonies next week, but I will not show these one. I'm going to keep making rose tutorials, so these ones are our next Friday tutorial, and after that maybe peonies, or someone requested for these dragonflies I made using our regular retro punch. So we are making the dragonflies maybe after the flower. And also I wanted to show how to make these leaves. So these are my handmade leaves. These are not store-bought, but these are the store-bought. You can see right here, and these are the one I'm going to show you. So I'm so sorry, today it's not tutorial day. Next Friday I promise I'm going to give you this flower tutorial. And warning there, the tutorial will be little bit longer than my usual tutorials. I will see you next Friday. Thank you so much. Bye.